dude. You're a real guy. Might not want to hold that. The fuck's gonna start soon.
Yeah, I know. Fuck right from my toe.
Just freeze all that shit in.
Do this? Fuck, camera battery's dead now.
No shit.
Oh, so that's all it took.
Now watch this fucker just fire right up.
Wow. Grab the ladle. No one knows what a ladle is.
Get that damn spoon out.
It's a fucking ladle.
It's a spoon.
That's a fucking right, buddy. 3 more.
Fucking right. Good luck. Alright, that's good enough. If not, then I'm going down in there. I should have kept a little wall so the fucking water wouldn't come up on it. Are you going over? Because so we'd all be in the shanty if you drilled each other all a hole. Only 3 holes. She can't fish. But I mean, if you want to do something different over there, I don't care. Alright guys, so we just got out here. Finally doing some ice fishing. This is the first time I went since winter started. Hope we can pull something out, but I don't know about this place. Ice is like 12 inches thick, so it took so long with the auger. How long do you think that took with the auger?
Say
About 15 minutes.
yeah.
15 minutes alone. But yeah, we're drilling a few more holes and then we're gonna start fishing. All right, y'all. If we're doing something wrong, don't judge us because none of us do a lot of ice fishing. Yeah, I only went like twice last year, and that was about it because I never do ice fishing. So yeah, if we're doing something wrong, just don't hate on us. Come on now. Like, we don't ice fish. We're summer fishermen. We don't fuck with the ice. We don't like the cold. None of it. So keep it to yourselves and fuck off in the comments. So moving on to the ice fishing part.
That shit hurt.
All right, that's our first hole. Here's our second hole. Buddy's just getting her done over here. So we are the only ones out here up until like just now. Someone literally just got here, but I don't even know if they're gonna stick around very long. So yeah, it's a decent sized lake. This is also the worst fishing area challenge, so yeah, if you guys are wondering where we're at, it's the same place. All right, so we're finishing up our holes. We got the shanty set up That's looking all right. We're both working on a couple holes right now. I got the shanty up, me and Hunter. That fucker's tough. Here's base.
Yeah, that should be good.
There you go, baby.
Something like that. That should be
All right, we got the shanty set up. Got our 3 holes right here, and yeah, we're gonna get to fishing. So this thing, piece of fucking shit.
Wow.
So you can't really tell, but the water's really dirty here. It's a really bad place for the water. Like, it's just always been discolored and really dark, and it's even pretty dark right now, as you can see. It's always had a green tint. Like bad. No, I think the only thing we'll really be catching out of here is perch. Like I said though, I've never ice fished out here, and I don't ice fish often when I do ice fish. But perch, I know, are out here, and as far as I know, that's about it. So hopefully we'll at least pull a perch up or something. We're gonna be using wax worms and spikes, but I'm gonna go for more of the wax worms. So I'm gonna go throw one of those on, and then we're gonna get in there and finally we can start fishing. Probably gonna throw 2 on there.
Wow.
Don't mind me, just fishing.
Fishing.
I just reeled up. How the fuck?
I guess I just can't sink.
This line's shit on.
This is too.
Oh shit.
But he caught a big old fucking wad.
Fucker.
Now she looks big. Alright, buddy guy caught one
I'm moving back
out of this one. You were using an actual lure though, huh?
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Alright.
A sack cat worm.
We're trying to use
Go back down.
wax worms. He's using a lure, like a little lure thing. But I need sinkers, so now I gotta go get sinkers. So I'm just grabbing 3 of these. I'm gonna try these out. I don't think I need them that big, but my line is really messed up. So I do need them.
Fucking set toad, pal. We need bigger ones to fucking do it. Catch and cook.
Every time anyone gets one, I miss it. I don't even get to film it because I'm trying to fish myself. But apparently I can't do that either.
Is he on? No.
Set of nuts with these sinkers on. Holy fuck, is it deep?
Is it really that fucking deep?
Dude, I haven't even hit bottom yet.
Better let loose then. I don't even need that fucking heater.
Nah, it's actually not bad out here. Definitely warmed up. We just got used to it, I guess. Honestly, I should probably take at least like one of them sinkers off.
I'm not using any.
Yeah, your line's not slinky either. Mine's slinky, it won't fucking straighten out to go down. Yeah,
What pound test is it?
I have no idea.
Come on, pal.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna try that other hole out real quick. Ow! That's nice. I'm trying not to run too deep, but I'm also going kind of deep. Because this lake is super deep right here, believe it or not. We're probably running at least 25 to 30 feet right now. Well, probably about 15 feet, actually. See, I have to use a sinker because my line is just completely messed up. And I got, like, if I don't use one, it just don't even sink because my line just scrunched up so bad, but I don't know if that's a problem or not for the fish. Alright, so this hole was a fail. I'll probably take that off. This hole was a fail. I'm going back inside the shanty, hang out with them for a bit. See if we can't get anything out of the first one we started in. Nothing.
Just playing tug of war with me.
I think I'm gonna go drill another hole because these aren't working for me or for anyone. He's got the same idea. He's coming to another hole. I might just take out another. I might just make another hole. To be honest.
Yeah, that's something I'm doing.
Because none of these are working. I kind of want to try it further up though, like towards that way, in front of the dock a little bit, because that's where them perch were last year when I came here. But
I'm either thinking about either moving right there or a little bit that way.
You want to try further out that way in front of us, like that way though, by that bend?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go out, way out here, somewhere out here, and see if we can't get any better luck over there, because right here is kind of just the center of everything, it seems like, really. This is kind of where everyone goes, because if you look around, there's literally holes everywhere in this area, just this area. But if you walk further out, no one really goes that way, so we're gonna go over there and see if we can't have any better luck over there. All right, so we're gonna try right here first, and then we're probably gonna do a couple more somewhere else too. But yeah, we're about maybe 35 yards from the original spot. That one came along pretty quick. Yeah, we're thinking about going like this way, somewhere back that way. So, see what we can do here. This ice has got to be like, it's almost a foot of ice.
Yeah.
If not, well, it's a foot of ice or more. There's no way it's less than a foot. But yeah, this is deep.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I forgot mine. So if you look, there's footprints, but they literally stop right there. And then they're all just over there. But no one even really comes this way. Someone drove out here with something like a sled or something, but other than that, no one went out this way at all. So that's why I'm thinking we'll have better luck in this general area from here over that way.
Shit, I should be a bodybuilder after this.
I'm gonna drop down in there and see what I can do. You can keep doing that if you want.
That's what I was gonna do anyways.
I'm just getting beat the hell over here with some ice. Alright, so my camera died. I had to switch to my phone. Still ain't caught nothing. Oh, I wasn't even in the water, dude.
I was gonna say, you weren't deep at all.
No, I was. I reeled it up before I went and got my phone. About to reel it up and keep it that way for good. Moving locations once again. Now we're coming over this way. Finally. Better not come off either. That's decent size there. Bigger than the other ones we were catching. I can't grab them because my hands are just too numb. I think it's like 16 degrees, or it was 11 when we were on our way here.
11.
And it's definitely getting warmer, but I don't know, it's still kind of cold. Oh look, we're hooked up again. I found their honey hole, but now they're getting smaller. What the hell? And now I need a worm. Oh no, I don't. Would you look at that? I got a little bit left on there. Alright, well, now we're finally starting to catch them. It's been about 18 hours later. I finally found the right depth, I guess. I really think that way would be way better because no one's even been over there, and it's way deeper than it is over here. Smaller fish anyways. Oh, there's another one. No, I think he came off. Oh no, he's on there. Okay, now they're getting bigger again. Big, little, small, or big, little, big. Oh. Not too bad. They haven't stolen my bait yet, which is surprising. Oh, I missed. I may or may not have frostbite, not gonna lie. I don't got gloves, so hand's pretty bad. So all anyone caught today out of here was bluegills. I was like 100% sure we'd be catching some perch, but I guess not. I don't know where them all went, but I know they were in here last winter, so I don't know. We might still have a chance, but I doubt it if we haven't caught one yet. Oh, my bait was gone. Probably would have been better to change that. But alright guys, I know this video is kind of short. That's going to wrap it up. I think we're about to head out. And not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting tired of dealing with this pole. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.